In this video, I'll show you 5 easy methods to fix the can't connect to this network Wi-Fi error in Windows. Let's get started. Method 1. Forget and reconnect to the network. 1. Click the Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar. 2. Right-click the network you're trying to connect to and select Forget. 3. Now click the network again, enter your Wi-Fi password, and try to reconnect. Method 2. Restart your PC and router. Restart your computer first. Then unplug your router/modem, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Once everything powers on, try reconnecting. Method 3. Update Wi-Fi drivers. 1. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. 2. Expand network adapters. 3. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Update Driver Search automatically. Method 4. Reset network settings. 1. Go to Settings Network and Internet Advanced Network Settings. 2. Scroll down and click Network Reset. 3. Click Reset Now, then restart your PC. Note, you'll have to reconnect to all Wi-Fi networks after this. Method 5. Use Command Prompt commands. 1. Open Command Prompt as administrator. 2. Type these commands one by one and press Enter after each. PGSQL. Copy Edit. Netch WinSock Reset. Netch and IP Reset. IP Protocol Configuration/Release. IP Protocol Configuration/Renew. IP Protocol Configuration/Flushtons. 3. Restart your PC and try connecting again. That's it. One of these methods should fix the Wi-Fi connection error on your Windows PC. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and tutorials. Got any issues still? Drop your question in the comments.